Your critic are your greater follower. Ladies and gentlemen, you do not believe me? This exists. Your critic are your greater follower, and yet they deny being your follower. Your critic watch you closely. They watch your work. They watch your talent, your ability, the way you work, your style, and they copy you. They imitate you. They benefit from you, and yet they have the gut to deny in front of everyone that they have been benefiting from your way, your work, your style, your ability. They follow you so closely that they do not miss even a single work of yours. And yet, they will not appreciate you. That is one thing which makes them different from your fan. Your fan are your followers. They admire you. They love you. They are proud of you. And they publicly appreciate you, your work. They give credit to you of your work. So fan have greater status in your life. The critics, no matter how much they imitate you, how much they copy you, they want to be like you, but they still remain a copy. These are the people who are incompetent. They know that they have no talent. They know they're not capable of doing something, and that is one reason why they follow you, why they want to rob from you your work. They want to be successful on your account. But believe me, original is original. You are original, and no one can be like you. No matter how much closely they follow you, they cannot be you. You are original, so keep doing your work. Do not be discouraged by such people. Keep doing your good work. Focus toward your goal. Be positive. You cannot avoid such people because they are everywhere around you. Let them follow you. Let them copy you. And you be excellent at your work. You be proud of yourself because you know that your critics are your follower. Tell them, I know you are following me. No matter how many times you deny, but you can never deny to yourself that you are my followers. Yes, and even the critics knows it. They are not proud of themselves. So be proud of yourself. Keep doing your work. Have a positive mindset. Believe in yourself. You are the one who is worth of being copied. You are successful. You are the one people look at you and they admire you. They appreciate you. They copy you. Let them copy you. You are you. So, your fan are your followers, and even the critic are your followers. But fan is fan. They are worth. Critic are the thieves. They may follow you, but they are not proud of you. So their status is nothing in front of you. Keep doing your work. Continue your good work. You are serving the society. Be proud of yourself. Be proud of your work. All the best.